Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. I'm currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So just taking a look at Quant here, and we can see, as we said in our previous video yesterday, looking very strong, very bullish market structure right now. You can see we're clearly making higher highs and higher lows right now, looking very strong in the face of, the wider market looking quite dejected in general. Clearly still in a bear market for a lot of cryptos, or at least in a heavy period of consolidation. Bitcoin still consolidating, really not showing that many signs that it's breaking to the upside. But we can see Quant, ever since we've made that low in June, has been just going up with higher highs and higher lows here, looking very bullish indeed. You can see the RSI coming up here and the volume overall increasing, looking very strong. We've actually got a bit of a very bullish trend line, looking something like this for Quant as well, which would coincide with our next target, which is that retracement that we are seeing. Obviously Quant is getting quite overextended right now, very overbought. It came up to that swing high at around $230-ish, got stuck under this previous swing high in this area over here, and you can see now just having a healthy retracement back down to fair value on the RSI, and looking like the volume has also decreased over the past few days, forming potentially this kind of descending wedge where we could see ourselves break to the upside and continue, or at least get a double top scenario here before a cooling off period. But overall, you can see obviously we've got very overextended here. We've lost the 618 and looking like we are just coming back down to retest some key levels of support here. This swing, this key level that we have highlighted, very key level, previous support flipped into resistance, and you can see that resistance, we do want to see it support here. We want to see it retested as support again, along with the 55 EMA. That would be a very bullish place to have a bounce. We'd probably expect a bit of a reaction in this area here with the 55 and that key level of support, this being a very psychological level as well at $150. You'd expect Quant to have a decent reaction here, especially being as the case is there are quite a few key resistances here, supports here, I'd say, sorry, at the 55, that big psychological $150 level, and also the trend line support as well. You can see every time that we've come down to this trend line, we have had a decent bounce to the upside. You'd probably expect that again here, especially considering we're not actually seeing any bearish divergences here yet. You can see the price action actually increasing to the upside in terms of the RSI, the momentum also increasing on the MACD, the volume also going up on these big moves to the upside. So overall, in this area here, at that $150 level, we'd expect a big reaction for Quant to the upside. From what we can see on the chart, obviously every time that we get down to that kind of support level of that trend line, along with the EMAs here, we do get big reactions to the upside. Obviously still maintaining bullish market structure. The EMA is looking very bullish as well. In our opinion, Quant is just looking very good right now, especially in the face of the wider market showing how strong it is. The fundamentals are obviously fantastic. We do think this is a crypto that could easily be over $1,000 in the next few years. Most likely, 2,000 or 3,000 if it does get implemented with all of those fundamentals that we've heard about. For Quant, obviously, it's a massive project, a ton of partnerships, and generally, the price action is reflecting how strong it is here. You can see that it is looking very strong. Also, as we said before, you could potentially be looking at a massive inverse head and shoulders kind of formation like this, which would be very interesting to see, wouldn't it? If this is the breakout, the back test, where are we going to go if this is a huge inverse head and shoulders like this? We've got key targets, haven't we, up to the previous all-time high. So Quant right now looking very strong, looking like it's breaking out of key levels of resistance, higher highs and higher lows, and looking like very strong indeed in our opinion. So we'd say for the next month or so, we've got key targets. Obviously, if we're heading to the upside, as we can see here, if we get that retest, that back test and continuation, obviously the next target at the 0.78 there at the $250, $260 area. We do need to see ourselves getting back up above the 618 at $175 first though. And obviously that swing high is a very key level of resistance now at $230. If we do see ourselves come down though and start to lose this this support trend line that we can see here, we could be looking at coming back down to around that $130 again at the 0.50 as support on the Fibonacci. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe, and if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.